everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Mzansi Magic has announced that Umnakwethu is coming back on our screen for season 3. It is a show where a married man asks Musamselego, the well-known polygamist, to come and be a mediator as they introduce their girlfriend to their wife, or as they introduce their girlfriend to their first wives. The show have received a lot of criticism guys for not portraying iqiniso ngeculture yesithembu. We've seen a lot of couple who are not married in show ezofuna ukuthatha the second wives. For example, uLanga kaMashelembe came to that show ezofuna ukuthatha insika engaqedile ukulobola uMashelembe, the first wife. We have uqondanisa. In every season he introduced a new woman, girlfriend or baby mama, and lokho bakubiza ngesithembu, yet he has never paid lobola for anyone. And again guys, some of these women ran to newspapers and exposed the show, claiming they were promised money. They are not in a relationship with these guys. I know some stories are genuine, but some are just lie. But despite all those stories guys, people loves the show. Viewership proves that. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about the new season of Umnakwethu. Bye.